I need to change the bed sheet because it's very itchy now. I just need to keep my blankets and pillows, and that is in Vivian's bed. Now I need to change my things.
Kaya pala, dirty na.
Dirty na. Take off the bed sheet. Do the corners first because it's way more easier.
Mostly pag nabara.
May ground. Ow.
May ground, ano yan? Current ng aircon.
Got it.
Garrett.
Where can I put this?
Diyan na lang, sa ibabaw na lang.
Where?
Diyan, diyan.
Yeah. Now we're gonna change the bed sheet first. It is cute, very cute purple one with some flowers. I don't know what kind
Not
of
purple,
flowers.
pink. This is pink.
Oh, it's pink?
Yeah.
It's like a bold pink. It's like a purple and pink. And we have some flowers. I forgot what the name of these flowers.
Arranged very well.
They look amazing.
You arranged very well.
Yeah. And they have some pillowcases too.
Oh, dalawa.
I'm
Two.
gonna change my pillowcases. I'm gonna change this one. I have 3 pillowcases. I mean,
Big one.
this one.
Nasaan yung dalawang lalagyan mo?
So I have 3.
Yeah. Okay.
Ano to? Pillow.
Use this one to the pink one and that one.
Okay. And let's change because I need
That's big. This is fitted in the pink one.
Oh.
And this one.
This is my secondary blanket because I get cold. I need this so if I won't fall.
Okay. Then the pink one is for here and that one.
Okay. So now I'm gonna take out pillowcases
Hindi.
from the pillows.
Okay lang yan sa ano. Pang cover na hindi ka malaglag sa kama.
So papalitan ko dito.
Pwede.
Okay. I'm gonna video first. So guys, I'm changing the pillowcases and
This big also.
okay, and the bed and the pillows because it's getting very itchy and it's getting dirty. So now I'm gonna change it right now.
Slowly. Slowly lang. Para hindi ka mapagod.
I have water in case. The pillow is way too big for the case. So I'm just gonna take off the normal way. Yes. Perfect. This is dirty. We need to put in the laundry basket. Now we're gonna change it with a pillowcase, which is the same one, but this one is more cleaner. Okay. Put the pillow in. Okay.
Easy.
And then, wait, can I fix it first? this, and then put the pillowcase in. This. Flip it over.
You need help?
I got this. Sure. I need help. Okay, I got it. It doesn't want to pull up. It doesn't want to. Oh. I think the pillowcase is too small.
Yeah.
Other side.
Lapit na.
Halfway done. Sometimes you need to force it in. It doesn't want to go in. Finally,
Finally.
we did it.
Easy na do the,
This is my head pillow.
okay?
And
Then,
then I'm going to change these two.
okay.
This. Take out the pillow. Oh.
Body pillow.
Under this pillowcase is this nice flower theme pillow. It's a pillowcase too, but it has to keep the dirty stuff out. Now I'm gonna add our pillowcases, which is these that match the bed. This might be a bit easier because I have a small pillow, and this is a pretty big pillowcase. So I think I got this. Other one.
Marunong ka na, no? Marunong.
Yes.
Good job. Then, lock the zipper.
And then I'm gonna zipper it.
Good
stuff.
job.
I'm gonna put it here so it won't fall there. And then I have this other one. This is your pillow.
Okay.
Put it there. Get out my extra.
Where's the other one?
Here.
Okay.
I need an extra blanket because sometimes I get cold because I'm wearing the sandal. But sometimes I don't. But I need it just in case if I get so cold. Put this flower. Wait, I didn't take off. It's
No,
dirty.
okay na. No need. No need to take out na.
Okay. Madaming labahin.
Daming labahin. See? Because we have a washing machine.
Yeah, it's pretty easy, but pagsasampay.
Easy also.
For me, it's very hard because the roof of it, of our garahe, is so like up, like so tall. I can't even even the panungkit I use, I can't even reach the roof of the garahe because they expand it longer and taller.
Good job.
Perfect. I'm gonna get my blanket, and I'm gonna fix my
Okay.
blanket.
Then you sleep now.
Then I'm sleep. It's backwards.
Good job. Congratulations.
And then I'm gonna fix my stuff. Put my bag over here. And my charger if my phone's low bot. My first ever stuffed animal is still with me. I got this when I was 4, so it's been 6 years, and I still have him. Before, when I was 4, he was like so big, but now when I grow older, he's so small. I love this.
Okay.
And my phone.
Okay, then
And
nice to sleep. Congratulations. Good job.
bye.
Bye.